Hey, welcome to the channel. My name is Lourenco. If you're new to cryptocurrency or you know a few things but you'd like to participate in IDOs, don't know exactly how to do that, then follow this tutorial that I've put up for you and we'll go and take a look at Safelaunch today. Safelaunch is an incubator, so they have a launchpad and private deals. And basically, they allow you to participate in the early state of projects. That allows you to get the token of the project at a very, very, very low price, and then to make a profit either when it launches or further down the track. So this tutorial is for beginners only. I will take you through the different steps towards participating in one of the IDOs on Safelaunch. So first of all, you want to head to safelaunch.io. That's the official website. And as you can see, it tells you to buy the token of Safelaunch, which is SFEX. So SFEX is the token of Safelaunch. And depending on how many SFEX you have and you put on the platform, we call that staking, when you actually lock your tokens onto the platform to participate. Then depending on how many you're staking, then you have a different tier that allows you to either participate in some deals, most of them, all of them, or just to participate up to a certain amount and further and further on. So the rule on Safelaunch is that you have to stake at least 500 tokens. If you see here on how to invest, how to join, you have the first tier, it's Hustler. You need at least 500 tokens, and then 1,500, 3,000, etc. Once you know exactly how many tokens you want to buy, then you need to buy them. So the best thing to do is to go to CoinMarketCap. So this is the reference in terms of token contracts. So at least when you get the token contract from CoinMarketCap, you know it's legit. So you type in SFEX here. You'll see the current price. So at the time of the recording, it's $1.33. What you can do right away is add it to your MetaMask. If you don't have a MetaMask, I highly suggest you install this the Chrome extension that is called MetaMask, and you create a wallet in 1 minute. It will just ask you to record a private key on your computer or somewhere else. And then basically it's where you will be storing your tokens to create the link between you and Safelaunch. So you will send your SFEX to your MetaMask, and then from your MetaMask you'll be depositing your tokens onto Safelaunch. So what you want to do to know where to buy the SFEX token, you can see it here. You go to markets, and it will give you an idea. It will give you all the listings that are currently up. So as you can see, it's only available on PancakeSwap. So you want to go and click on this pair, which is the SFEX/BNB pair. You'll be landing here on PancakeSwap. So to buy your tokens, as PancakeSwap is only on Binance Smart Chain, you will need to configure your MetaMask on the Binance Smart Chain and to have a little bit of BNB on your MetaMask. Why? It's because as you're on the Binance Smart Chain blockchain, you need to pay the gas fees in the Binance currency, which is BNB. You will only need like 0.001 or something like this. As you can see here, when you click on PancakeSwap, you're not always directly landing on the correct pair, which should be BNB and SFEX. So go back to CoinMarketCap, and I'll show you how to do this. You go to the contract address here, you copy it, come back to your PancakeSwap, and then here you click on the token, and you paste the address. It will fetch SFEX, so you click on it. And you can see here that 1 BNB is currently worth about 400 SFEX. So you can buy in BNB, of course, but if you have some BUSD on your MetaMask, then you can just switch the currency here. And let's say you want to buy your 500 SFEX. I won't have enough here because I will need an extra $300, but that's how you do it. So you type in, let's type in 100. So you see it will cost you about 133 to buy 100 SFEX. So you click swap, and what it will do is that it will trigger your MetaMask window here, and that's where you can modify your gas fees if you want the transaction to go quicker, or you can just leave it as is and click on confirm. So sorry, it's in French here, but you've picked up on my French accent. You click on confirm, and it will you will have to pay, as I said, you see 0.001 BNB, which is not much, but you do need a little bit of BNB to perform this transaction. So then you will have, so I'll reject this one myself because I already have my SFEX. But then if you click on your MetaMask, you'll see in the assets section here of your Binance Smart Chain MetaMask, you will have your SFEX here. So let's say that you've bought your 500. Then what you want to do is go back to Safelaunch, and then you go to staking. You click. You can either stake just the SFEX token, or a liquidity pool of the Safelaunch and BNB pair. It's a bit more complex, but it basically gives you more reward. As you can see here, when you stake them, you have 49% return on your investment per year. Whereas if you only stake the token itself, you only have a 10% return on your investment per year. But you do need the same amount of SFEX and BNB to perform this. So let's say that you wanted to stake 500 SFEX, which is the minimum. You would need 500 SFEX plus the equivalent in BNB, which would be about 1.5 or something. So it would cost you double the amount. So not everyone has the money. I don't. So I've only staked the token. So basically what you do is you click on SFEX. Here you will have your 500 from your MetaMask. You click stake, and then you will have you'll have the MetaMask confirmation window where you click on accept, and then if everything is correct, then you will have your 500 SFEX tokens here. They are staked, and the last thing that you need to do is to go to Safelaunch and .io and type /KYC, enter, and basically it will take you to the Know Your Customer page, which is mandatory to participate in the deals. So as you can see, mine has already been done, but it will be very straightforward. So you just type in safelaunch.io/KYC. You give your ID, your name, your address. They will take care of that in about 24-48 hours. It's pretty quick. And then when everything is all set, you will see it right away here because you'll have your current tier. So if you don't see your current tier, it's not even worth trying to participate in an IDO or in a private deal because it won't work. You will see the deal and you will be like, I can't participate. My contribution amount is 0. Yeah, it's just because your tier hasn't been validated. So you do need to see your tier displayed here to know that your tier has been validated. And then what you can do is go to Launchpad. In Launchpad, you will see all the new IDOs, the upcoming IDOs, or the funded ones. So at the moment, everything has been funded, so the new ones will appear here. And then you also have private deals. So as you can see, there's other private deals coming soon at the time of this recording. So I'll be actually participating in this one in 3 hours. And what you can do is when you know that you're going to participate in one of the deals, you can click on pre-approve your BUSD. It will open your MetaMask window. It will cost you between 12 and 15 cents.
It's just to gain a few seconds when you participate in the deals, because it's if you're in lower tiers just like me, it's a first come first served basis. So you do need to be quick when you're participating in deals. So make sure that you already confirm the BUSD that is going to allow you to participate, to contribute in the IDO. So it will save you a few seconds that are precious at the time of the IDO. So I'm not going to do this one for now. But then at the time of the deal, in 3 hours from now, it will automatically refresh. But I highly suggest that you refresh like a crazy person until the IDO is live, and then you will have your contribute button. So this won't work. You will have your contribute button with the amount of dollars that you are allowed to participate. So yeah, for my tier, for example, the max is $200. But if you get a higher tier, then you will be able to put more money in deals. But basically, if you see zero, you can't do anything. So keep refreshing until you see your maximum contribution amount, and as soon as it appears, you click on max and contribute. Then you will have your MetaMask window that will pop up in front of you, and here you click on edit the gas. You multiply by, I usually just add a 0. This way I multiply the gas by 10. It's still pretty cheap, and it allows you to go crazy fast for your transaction and to make sure that you actually participate in the deal, because there's nothing more frustrating than being here on time, especially like, for example, here in Australia, I have to stay up at, 11:30 at night, which is tiring for me. And it's very, very, very frustrating when you're up late at night and or at whatever time of the day it is in your time zone, and you have your BUSD on your MetaMask, you're ready to participate in the deal, and the transaction takes forever, and then it's 100% funded. So make sure that as soon as your contribution amount is, like, for example, $200, you click on max contribute. Then in your MetaMask window, you click on edit the gas, add a 0 at the end to multiply by 10, and then you accept the transaction, and then you will thank me. And then that's it. And as soon as you've participated in the IDO, then your contribution will be locked in. It will take a few days for the TGE, which is the token generation event, to occur. And at that time, when it's happening, you can click on claim tokens here, and you will have the IDO that you've participated in, and you can claim your tokens. They will go straight into your MetaMask. So that's it. Basically, you've seen everything. The only thing that you haven't seen is how to configure a MetaMask. There's plenty of videos on YouTube to create this. It takes literally 1 minute, and the only thing you need on Safelaunch is a bit of BNB on your MetaMask, and a bit of BUSD, because it's BUSDs that you're going to be using to participate in the deals. So you can, for example, grab them from Binance and then send them to your MetaMask. It's very, very easy to do, very straightforward. Just make sure that your address is correct and that your blockchain is the Binance Smart Chain when you withdraw your Binance, your BUSD or your BNB. So that's it. It's my very first video. I hope I haven't been too slow or too misleading. My name is Lourenco. If you want to use my Binance link to buy your BNB or your BUSD when you create your account, feel free to do so. You will have a 10% discount on your fees forever. And I will get something as well, so you will help me and I will help you. It's a win-win. I will make other tutorials like this. If you feel like I've been too quick and you need more information on how to participate in the Safelaunch IDOs and private deals, let me know in the comments, and feel free to give a thumbs up. It truly helps with the YouTube algorithm to spread the good word. and yeah, don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel, because I'll be posting more videos like this where I just take you over my shoulder and show you exactly how to participate in IDOs. to make good profits with your cryptocurrency. So yeah, take care and be very, very cautious on your crypto journey. Always make sure everything you do is legit. Don't get scammed. So yeah, see you in the next video.